Good morning guys, Dimitri from Shanghai, and today we're going to visit one of the spa salons where we install our air purifier inside the salon. Follow me.
Hi guys!
Hello.
Good morning, Dimitri.
Good morning.
Please welcome.
Today here in this beautiful spa salon, and I would like to ask you a few questions if you don't mind. So my first question will be, what made you to decide to install an air purifier in this beautiful place?
So we decided to install the purification air because we work in a closed room. So every time when the client comes, we close the room, we do some procedures. And yeah, in addition, we decided to install we decided to improve the air quality in each room. So it sterilizes, it gives a nice fragrance in the room. It's easy to use, easy to install, and every client and also the people who works here, they really notice the difference. The air quality is really improved. It's lighter, it's nice scents, and yeah, and easy, like works. It's quiet, you cannot hear it, and it's just amazing. Yes.
How do you feel nowadays? For example, if your staff do this stuff, did they mention some changes and maybe some feedbacks from the customers who are coming about the service improvements and other things by improving the air quality in the rooms?
Definitely. We got one room on the second floor. It was a big problem. So I think the air was there a bit like, just like a bit humid or something. And now once we installed it, the air quality really changed and all the girls noticed that. Like, yeah, all the staff noticed that.
Do you think it might be a very helpful tool to improve the quality and the level of service in the spa salon?
Definitely, and not only the spa salons, it could be like clinics, dental clinics, whatever places which are, they have like, closed room for like 20 square meters. I think, yeah, it's perfect enough to clean the air. Yeah, definitely.
And do you mind if you show us a bit around how the Arctic Air looks inside the room, and how it's been installed, and what it's all about?
Yeah, sure.
Can we go? Yeah.
So yeah, here is the room. We do the procedures here. We got 3 beds. We do massages, facials, and different kind of procedures. And here we have our beautiful tool. As you can see, it's very small, compact. We don't need too much space to install it. Just the charger, and then we change the scents like every month. So for 1 month is enough. And yeah, we enjoy just beautiful clean air every day.
All right, guys. So, yep, Anna, thank you very much for showing us around and sharing with us your insights. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned to our channel. More interesting insight videos will be shown on our YouTube channel. You always will have a good day, and bye.